What's up guys, it's Jamey. Welcome back to the channel. I've got another unboxing video for you today. I've had a lot of people asking me about my thoughts and opinions on the different iPhone 12 colors and options available, and I really couldn't give any good information because I've never seen the device. So I thought that'd be a good idea to just go ahead and order these in, unbox them, and get my first thoughts and impressions of the different colors that are available for the iPhone 12. I'm really excited to see how these colors compare to the iPhone 12 Pro colors because they are so different. They've got some fun ones in there. So I ended up ordering 4 of the 5 different colors. The one that I didn't get was the red, just because for me personally that wasn't going to be an option. So I just wanted to get the colors that I thought I would potentially consider, and that is the white, the black, the blue, and the green. As always, when you're watching the video, if you could just give it a quick like. Also, if you're interested in seeing more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all the support. All right guys, so here we have white, black, blue, and green. These are all the 64 gigabyte models. So we are gonna start with the white color first. Here is the white. First impression, when I take off the top, it looks very similar to the silver on the back. The only difference is that this is much more shiny. This is more muted and understated on the silver iPhone 12 Pro. The package contents are the same that you'll find in the iPhone 12 Pro. Clean looking phone. So here's just another look at the back. Side with the volume rocker. Here's the bottom. Side with the power button. And then here is just a front-facing angle. Just to give a quick comparison, here you can see the white iPhone 12 versus the silver iPhone 12 Pro. I mean, they're almost identical in color. So obviously you're not going to see as much smudging and fingerprints on the 12 sides versus the 12 Pro, but I think it's, personal preference on if you want the shine. Next up is the black color. Color coordinated packaging as well. Ooh. Black looks nice. Initial impressions, like the back on the black is a fingerprint magnet. I've had this thing it's been open for like 3 seconds and you can already see fingerprints and smudging all over it. Not sure if you can catch it on the camera. Maybe I'll put a little angle on it so you can see it, but there's smudging everywhere. Pop this off. So the nice thing on this is that, unlike the white color, here you have the coordinating matte black sides, which, really help enhance that stealth look on the device. But I'm not sure if you can see this on camera, but there is definite smudging. Trying to position the phone so you can see the smudging in the lighting. So here's a better look at the back. You can see the side with the power button. Here's the other side with the volume rocker. We have the bottom. I think that visually it's a super cool looking phone. I like the color a lot. That smudging fingerprints would drive me crazy. But, definitely like a cool looking phone. I wonder if you put like a clear case on or something, that'll help solve the issues. When you look at it at this angle, it almost looks like the front part when you're powering on the phone with the Apple logo. Here you can see the front of the phone, just continuing on with the stealth look and feel. So now we're starting to get into what I would consider to be a couple of the more interesting colors. This is the blue color. I'm kind of curious to see how this looks compared to like the Pacific blue. Oh wow, that is definitely blue. Very, very different blue. So it really match well with the shirt that I have on today. Initial impressions is that this is like your traditional blue. This is like a royal blue color. Not necessarily my vibe. It's a little too blue for me. I think it could be interesting if for whatever reason you had like one random phone that you used on occasion and you kind of pulled this thing out when you wanted a really blue looking phone. Here's a better look at the back of the phone. The sides look, to my eye, like a little bit of a cooler blue. It's a little bit darker than, I'd say the back is more of like a playful blue, and I'm not sure if you can pick it up, but a darker color with this glossy finish similar to on the black. It is picking up fingerprints. I'm not seeing as much fingerprints and smudging on the sides as the black color, but I am seeing it on the back. So here you have the side with the power button, different angles. Side of the blue with the volume rocker. Here's the bottom. Here you have the side of the blue with the volume rocker. Look at the front of the device. And here we have another look at the back. It's a cool color. I will say that I do like the sides more than I like the back of the color. The back is just a little bit too blue for me. So last but not least, this is actually the color that I was most interested in checking out. It's the green color. From what I could see online, it was super cool looking, so hopefully it lives up to the hype. Oh wow, this thing. Let's look at that real quick. That is nice looking. Now that is an awesome iPhone color. Right off the bat, just this would be the color that I would go with. 2 seconds, no questions asked. It is really cool. It is super unique. Because it's lighter, you're not going to get the smudging on the back like that we saw on the blue and the black color, but it's still like unique enough to where it's not just white. You get a nice hit on the sides of just a more matte version of the color in the black. I mean, this is Apple hit it out of the park with this green color. Take something like this and put it in the iPhone 12 Pro line. I mean, give me this over the Pacific Blue, or give me a version of this over the Pacific Blue. I mean, this thing is a rock star. So here is a look of the sides of the green with the volume rocker. This is the side with the power button. At the top here, as well as the bottom. Here is the front of the device. And then here's another look at the back. Wow. You're seeing like minimal or no smudging, and only if I kind of shine it with a light, maybe you can pick up on some. Not seeing anything going on the sides in terms of smudging. This This thing definitely lives up to the hype that I placed on it when I saw it. This would 100%, like at this point in time, just looking at the colors, first impression, this would be the color that I would go with. So to give one last quick look of the colors in order in which they were unboxed, we have white, then black, blue, and then green. Like I said, as of right now, this green is the clear, like, best color as far as I'm concerned. And then also just to compare, this is my silver iPhone 12 Pro versus all the different colors. So it was just a quick unboxing, first look and impressions of the different colors and options available in the iPhone 12. I'm going to spend a little bit more time with the different color options, comparing one another to see which one I actually like better. I'm also going to spend some time comparing the 12 versus my iPhone 12 Pro. I know that those are heavily compared, and I want to get my thoughts on the differences between the two devices, looking at the overall design and then just the capabilities as well. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you haven't already, give it a quick like. Also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new videos to come. I'll catch you guys in the next video.